Hi, and welcome to MrsCottonCandy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to be doing sort of a cooking video, with you. And what you're looking at right now is this Walmart magazine. It says the Live Better magazine from Walmart. And this is the Walmart in Canada. They give out these free Walmart magazines every, I don't know, like every season or something like that, because this is the spring one. Anyways, inside that they usually have like coupons and different recipes and things. So the one you're looking at here, it's a little like a tomato kind of salad thing. Big batch bean salad, I guess it's called, but it's got tomatoes and whatnot in it there. So we're going to make that, and here's the recipe here. So I'm going to do something like this. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. I'm just going to show you, I got this from the Canadian Dollar Tree. So I'm going to make this up. It doesn't say to put that in there, but I'm going to put it into the salad. And I got a can of black beans here, some chickpeas, some extra virgin olive oil, red wine vinegar, fresh garlic, and a thing of tomatoes there. And I also have, I'm going to put some peppers in there as well. So if you'd like to follow along with me, that would be great. You're also going to need Dijon mustard as well for the dressing of it. So far I've cooked that up, and now I'm just going to have to let it cool because I'm going to put it in the salad. In the recipe in the Walmart magazine, it doesn't call for this. I thought this was couscous, but I think I might be wrong. But hopefully it'll taste good in it. So I've done that, and then I've also drained and rinsed off 1 can of black beans, 1 can of chickpeas, and I chopped up a little orange pepper, and I chopped up some fresh garlic, and I put a lot of garlic in here because I like garlic. So so that's what I've done so far. I'm gonna chop up some red peppers also to put in here, and then I'm gonna do the tomatoes. So this is finished, and I've just got it on this plate just to get it to get cold. This is what it is, and I got this at the Canadian Dollar Tree, which is pretty, I think that's pretty awesome that they're doing, you can get healthy things at the Dollar Tree. Anyway, so that's what that looks like. I've cut up my tomatoes, and there's the salad, and now I'm going to, now those are some different tomatoes. I get a package of cherry tomatoes of all different kinds. Anyways, I'm going to make the dressing now. So here it goes. So 1/3 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 cup of olive oil, and then 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. And that's what's in here for the dressing. And you mix it together. Whisk it together if you'd like. So there you have it, my darlings. There is the bean tomato salad, I think. Chickpeas and orange and red peppers. And I'm going to put this in the fridge to get chilled up, like to get cold. And I have it in my vintage Pyrex here, and I'm gonna be eating this for a long time because I'm not sure if my hubby will like this. He's not big on like red wine vinegar and that kind of like couscous or whatever that is stuff. So we will see. But this was really easy to do, and since summer's coming, this might be a great dish to take if you're going to a potluck or something like that. Like I said, it's very easy. It's just a lot of like chopping and mixing and that kind of thing. So Hope that gives you some ideas. Thank you for coming along with me today on Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. And like I said, I hope this helps you out. And thank you. Toodaloo for now. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you. And you truly will go far. Good. Here comes summer. Woohoo! Happy eating!